In today's video, we will be comparing two popular security camera systems, the Swann 4K security camera system and the LITYMOL home security camera system. Both systems offer unique features and capabilities, making them strong contenders in the home security market. We will dive into their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. The Swann 4K security camera system boasts an impressive 4K resolution, providing exceptional detail and clarity in video footage. This high resolution is particularly beneficial for identifying faces and license plates. In contrast, the LITYMOL system offers a resolution of 5 megapixels, which, while still good, does not match the sharpness of 4Ks. For users prioritizing image quality, the Swann system is the clear winner in this category. When it comes to features, the Swann system includes advanced capabilities such as true detect motion sensing, spotlights, and a siren, enhancing its security functionality. On the other hand, the LITYMOL system incorporates AI-powered human and vehicle detection, along with two-way audio, allowing for interactive communication. While both systems offer valuable features, the choice depends on whether you prefer additional security measures or smart technology integration. Installation is another crucial factor to consider. The Swann system, while offering robust features, requires a more complex wired installation process, which may be challenging for some users. In contrast, the LITYMOL system utilizes Power over Ethernet (PoE) technology, making installation simpler and more straightforward. For those who prefer an easier setup, the LITYMOL system is the better option. In conclusion, both the Swann and LITYMOL security camera systems have their strengths and weaknesses. The Swann system excels in resolution and additional features, while the LITYMOL system offers affordability and ease of installation. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and